Mmm.
That filming?
We've just made us mini sauna. Swiss Army rucksack model. Mmm. Loving the blades.
What's this up?
And you could not do that with a Rambo knife.
No.
So they'll be on the fire in a minute. We've got 3 drying out now. Now what we doing? Is it rabbit, squirrel, rodent, rat?
Beef.
Beef! I knew it was something vaguely edible. And what's the name of the supplier? Plug. Full loader of Radstock. Subliminal message. Full loader of Radstock.
Scotch with beef.
And also endorsed cold steel bore machete, and the hands don't slip on the blood-stained handle. Jeez. It's 3 strokes on the stone, right? Yeah. Now we could have gone to the Tesco deli counter, nicked one of her bacon slicers, got a diesel generator, plugged it in.
No, it's not fun.
Not as fun as using the wrong machete. Oh, look at the control on that. Nothing cordage.
Oh, well. That's very nice.
That's very nice. Right, a bit of a puff on there, I think this one's N.
I've got my hands full.
Of what?
Beef.
Dickhead.
Reckon 4 on each stick.
He's pretty confident on my knife skills, isn't he? Diving in. Are you hungry?
I'm very hungry. Very hungry for beef. Oh, 5 on each stick, one more.
You quality checking the thickness of my cut, man?
I am. Right, if you hold on there.
Yeah.
I shall pass you that. Cow on the stick.
Dead cow on the stick.
You need more sticks.
Yeah, more dead sticks. Alright, should we deliver?
I think we should.
And then we'll go get some more stick.
Oh, that's
Catch you
beautiful,
later.
that is.
Did it work? So that's the nimble wheel stove, yeah? Twig stove. Run in. Sweet.
This meat's been cooking for about an hour and a half now.
Yeah, nearly up. I'm
Got
knackered.
a low flame. Been smoking, but it's also been cooking quite happily. Cut a bit off. Yeah, you can see it's nice. Looks almost like beef jerky, but still quite nice and soft. Very sweet. I'll stop one, I'll cut some off. Very sweet taste to it. There we are.
Thank you. It tastes smoky.
Yeah. It's very, very sweet taste to it. Definitely needs a bit more cooking. Definitely needs a bit more cooking, but it's...
I can take it half done.
It's at a decent standard.
That's awesome.
I'm trimming off the bottom at the moment, where it's closest to the heat. We've got a bit of fat on the top of some of them, just to give it a bit more flavour, letting that soak in.
Wow.
So, talk to you later when it's a bit more cooked.
Oh, look at that. Obviously, the added light of the Phoenix EO1.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Beautifully.
Triangular rack. That beef was brutal, wasn't it?
Mm.
Right. And, well, we might not be eating much beef tonight, because we've also got something in the transit down there. But it probably won't last till morning, will it? Right. Tea.
Tea.
Yum. The septic stump thing. You found that? A little cadet, does it? Right. So you got your steel cutlery set, is it?
Titanium.
Titanium. Show me up again. I got Tesco Value stainless.
Oh.
Its own personalised custom sheath thing. That's getting jerked now, isn't it?
Mm.
I've got to run away with it.
Yeah. Let's burn out a bit.
Oh, and he's just introduced me to the delights of bourbon.
Bourbon.
Is that chocolate biscuits or the other one, isn't it?
It's a whiskey.
Oh, right. So I choked, was it?
Mm.
Oh, well. Even that raven wasn't quite as wheezy as me, was he?
Mm.
Right. So, chow down.
Sausage.
Sausage and noodles. Motorbike in the distance.
Oh, what you use now is harmonica. Or banjo.
Twangy guitar. Yeah. What a day. Well, see how the beds are like now. Is that a foot thick?
Yeah, that'll go. I think
It'll go down about 3 inches, but
I don't know.
but yeah, like, we did have permission to come here, didn't we? Doing it. Always check with landowner first.
Oh yeah.
Definitely. And he starts talking about knives. We're good. Oh, what's that? Cold steel. Hey. I could rename that the Cold Steel Icebreaker. The beef was like 11 out of 10.
So soft and so sweet.
That bloke knew what he was cutting now. He just went in and said, "Oh, to hurt me like in the woods, smoke some meat." And he went,
Top side or rib?
"Top side."
Top side. No bone.
Sweet. Sausage. Okay.
Oh, Tesco Value noodles.
12p. Gone up, huh?
11p.
Used to be 8.
That's inflation for you.
Enough words. Anyway, we'll sign off in a bit. That fire bloody wicked thing. It's just touching my face from there, so that must be just about. That's just about right.
Yeah.
Right.